when you play the half wheel bet, you have to cover half the wheel and miss out half the wheel. This is just not from, for example, A all the way around to B. You can go B to C or C to D. Or you can crisscross and go B and D, A and C. There are many different ways that you can cover two parts of the wheel. Even when you have the table, you can miss out 12 numbers of one row, and then all you need to do is miss out a street. So there's two numbers from that street, and that street. This gives you 18 numbers as a bet. So that's probably an easier way than to try and pick what part of the wheel. The rows are a good thing to work on, and the streets. Of course, the other way to do it is just to go to 1 and 18, cover those, or 1 and 19 to 36. This way you can actually have a look at the results of how many times this half come up and see if you can find a pattern. But whatever you do, you win basically the same amount as you lose. It's very similar, and you just need to be right more than you're wrong. So any little thing that you can use to help you would really make a difference. You can't just rely on luck. Another way I've seen it being done is that this is the first row, second row, third, fourth, the streets, and that's all the way up. You can just take these two streets and call them 1. Well, I'll show you. So as you see here, I've taken the first two streets in each dozen. Third dozen, second dozen, first dozen. Now you can class these as number 1, number 1, number 1, and these as number 2, number 2, number 2. And you can look for some sort of pattern. But that really becomes down the same as red and black. You're just going for a pattern. So you can make an extra 18 chips each time, but you have to find some reason to help you determine which one you're going to go for. That I will leave up to you.